Okay, welcome back for the final bag. It's my roller carry-on bag. And as I said before, since I travel with a cat in the cat carrier, this has to have everything else that I need for my trip in it, including water bottle, my Kindle, any snacks, like my wallet, my neck pillow. So it's a little bit tricky to try to squeeze all those things in, which usually I would have in a backpack. So here we go. Got my Kindle, important eye mask. In here is a collapsible litter box for Duke that we use on the airplane or in transit in the airports. And I also have a small bag of cat litter. I like to use the Pretty Litter or similar brand because it's lighter weight, which is super important when you're packing everything in your life in one place. So this is great. It just unsnaps and folds out to about, 16 inches. It's not a lot of space, but it works when you're on the go. And then you can just fold it back up. And then when we get to our final destination, I usually do a thorough cleanup of that. I have my neck pillow here. I clamped it on with a little tiny carabiner clip, and I think it's called the Wander, and it's like a snail shape, and it curves up nice around your neck, like so, and then it'll Velcro on you. Very nice. Okay, also super important, pet documents. So we have his international health certificate from our vet and the rabies certificates, microchip evidence in here that you're going to be asked for at every airport transit point usually. All right, I already took out the small Ziploc, it's a gallon Ziploc bag of litter because we had to use it immediately when we landed, so that's already gone. I've got my laptop in here, a small water bottle because I can't be without water for more than an hour, so I like to have it with me on the airplane. My kind of everyday overnight toiletries because my mom always taught me don't travel without something you need in case you get your luggage is lost, and so you should always have at least one change of clothes and your essential toiletries with you. I've got my daily vitamins, probiotics in here. Finally, after wanting one of these for so long, I bought one of these cable holders. It's a little bigger than I need, but it's super nice because it keeps all those cords organized, which is great, especially when I don't have a backpack with me. See, I've got my PJs here. My phone charging, which the cord of course is in that little zipper pouch. Laptop cord. Treats and medicine for the cat. Another one of those magic erasers that we used in our last Airbnb stop. Some socks and underwear. A couple t-shirts. A couple pairs of pants. My second kind of long sleeve sweatshirt, just kind of a neoprene material with the pouch in the front. See, I've got my prescription glasses, which I rarely use, but they're here. Long sleeve, white blouse, button down. Mouse. Greek phrase book. We are trying to learn Greek. T-shirt. Here's another one of my jewelry holders, and this has necklaces, and they're strung through paper straws and then clipped on at both ends, so hopefully nothing is tangled up in here. A really nice kind of lint brush. It works way better than those sticky tape kinds. I've got some air tags in here. Yes, ideally I should just have one, but my prescription medicine is in here in a baggie, and 2 more shirts. Other than that, I just have in the top pouch here are important IDs and documents. So I have a little plastic pouch, and it's got our birth certificates, social security cards, my global entry pass, a checkbook. Does anybody use these anymore? I have a whole set of them just in case. Extra passport photos that we're going to need for our visa application. Our visa application documents, which we're hoping to get processed soon. We met with a lawyer right before we left and actually did our wills. So this is an official copy of both of our wills and powers of attorney. We left another copy at home with Trevor's parents. And that's it. Voila.